Welcome to Willand Pond, which borders Dover and Somersworth, New Hampshire. Most of us locals know what it looks like above the water, but what is taking over under the pond is what brings us together today. We're going to learn about an invasive species called Variable Milfoil, which has slowly taken over the pond in some areas. There are over 40 species of milfoil globally and about 6 native species present across New Hampshire that do not cause problems. Those are the good ones, though. They form habitation for smaller fish, wildlife, and food for waterfowl. They are mostly a low-growing plant and a vital part of the aquatic ecosystem. When left alone to thrive, variable milfoil can form dense surface mats of vegetation. It is a highly aggressive invader in New England. In fact, it is the most common invasive aquatic plant in New Hampshire. That's a good trivia tip to remember. It can grow up to 15 feet in length and may exhibit a 3 to 6 inch green spike-like flower above the waterline in late June or July. This exotic species of milfoil has been in the state since the late 1960s and can currently be found in over 80 water bodies in New Hampshire. You see, variable milfoil is considered an invasive species because it is not native to our state. It is difficult to manage once it becomes fully established. Milfoil reproduces through fragmentation. Basically, plants break off from the parent plant, sometimes unknowingly by boat action. They then travel, grow roots, and will settle in a new area. Seeds are thought to be a probable source of new plants. Even following extensive control measures, the state has found that seeds are resistant to herbicides. Data suggests that long-term monitoring and appropriate follow-up activities are needed to truly reduce or potentially eradicate infestations. Let's meet the crew tasked with removing this stuff and find out what their method will be.
Hello, I'm Jeff, this is Ken, and this is Carl. We're all with C&D Underwater. We're the contractor that's been named in order to clean up Willand Pond. We're going to be coming in utilizing DASH services, which is diver-assisted suction harvesting, to remediate and remove all the milfoil that we possibly can in Willand Pond directly behind us.
How our city is removing the milfoil is what this video series is all about. The city of Dover, in collaboration with Non-Toxic Dover, the local community, have chosen to go with the organic approach to removing the milfoil. We'll be composting it safely through McGuire Organics, where it will then be distributed throughout our local community in the form of rich topsoil and other landscaping materials. This is a beneficial byproduct for our community that we would not otherwise have if we had first gone with the herbicide option of treating the pond. So by physically removing the vegetation, we have a more potential successful and beneficial ongoing operation here. Here is a before and after of where the crew is working so you can see the progress at hand. Variable milfoil is a dedicated, slow-moving assassin and can survive out of water for many hours. It is usually first found in the areas of boat launches, which is an indicator that visiting boaters are the leading perpetrators of the contamination. So you too can do your part by cleaning your boats, folks. In New Hampshire, variable milfoil has no abundance of natural predators to keep its population in check. Under optimum temperature, light, and nutrient conditions, milfoil may grow up to 1 inch per day. Today, milfoil has met its predators, and they are C&D Underwater Maintenance. In the next video, we'll be doing a follow-up interview with the dive crew, and we'll meet a local retired biology professor who can fill us in on some facts about the pond. Until then, we thank you for your time and interest in this matter, as it means a great deal to our local community and beyond. Take the very best care of yourselves and one another out there, and I'll hopefully meet you shoreside on Willand Pond someday.